guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today I will be presenting you 5 mistakes that you might be doing and that will be the cause of why you're not losing weight. I am on a weight loss journey myself and I have definitely done these 5 things. I'll be honest, I have thought of like 10 mistakes that I could talk to you guys today, but I really wanted to focus on these 5 things because I think those are the main ones that the most people are probably doing, and the ones that I really think if you do correct will give you results long term. Because being on a weight loss journey, there is just no quick fix. Of course, there's those little things that can help motivate you temporarily, like getting some new workout clothes or getting an Apple Watch, that will help you move your body a little more. What is going to make this a lifestyle for you and not just a 1-month thing? It's important to remember that when you are trying to lose weight, the number one real goal is actually just to be more healthy. Not to be more skinny, but to be more healthy. To treat your body the way it treats you and just to nourish it and just take care of it. So if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. I post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays, and I post so many videos all on health and wellness and just so many tips for you guys on, losing weight, because like I said, I am on a journey myself. So I just love documenting the new tips and tricks that I find and just ways that helped me that I can of course share with you guys. So if you want to see the 5 mistakes that you might be doing that might be hindering your weight loss journey, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first one I want to talk to you guys about is probably one of the most important ones, and that is the scale. Yes, today I want to speak about a scale because I don't think people use it correctly. So I have been in that position where I weigh myself once a day, every morning. I have been in that position where I weigh myself once a week, once every 2 weeks, once every couple of months. I have been through it all, and I think I have finally found what works the best. So let's start off with weighing yourself every single day. That, I will say right away, is very unhealthy if you are weighing yourself every day and expect that number to go down every day. That is just not humanly possible. Your body weight fluctuates every day, and that is normal because every day you are retaining more water, you gained more muscle that day, you lost more muscle that day. You might be happy that you lost, 0.5 pounds that day, but you didn't lose fat, you lost muscle. So that is why if you are going to be weighing yourself every day and your goal is to see that number go down, you need to stop doing that. That is a mistake that will only put you down and make you feel disappointed. And then when it's just myself and everyone else, if you keep getting disappointed every day, what happens? You give up. And that is just not sustainable, and that is why you won't see results. On the other hand, weighing yourself every couple of months is not good either. If you're weighing yourself, every couple of months, and if you're scared to look at that number on the scale, that will not help you at all because you won't know how your body is reacting and what really works for you. So basically, don't weigh yourself every single day, and don't weigh yourself every couple of months if it's for the wrong reasons. If losing weight is not a goal of yours, then weighing yourself every couple of months, won't be that much of an issue. But if you really are trying to make that number go down, you need to step on that scale and face the number that will be there. That is the only way that it will help you, improve it. Now, that being said, RENPHO actually sent me this scale right here, which has been a game changer for me. This is what they call a smart scale. I'm sure you guys have already heard of it. This company actually sells their products on Amazon, so it's just super convenient. So many of us have Amazon Prime, where you just click the button and a day later it's in front of your door. This is not sponsored, but RENPHO did gift me this scale. What I want to tell you guys specifically about this today is how this has helped me track my weight loss and how, most importantly, it has helped me. So not only does this, tell you your weight, but you actually, let me get my phone and show you. So you get an app that RENPHO has. You can't even see. But what it does is these two work together with Bluetooth. It'll actually tell you 13 different things, because during my weight loss journey, I learned how important it is to not only look at the number. Like I said, there are so many different things in your body that fluctuate in weight, not just your fat. So using this, you will be able to know that. So for example, I weigh myself every couple of days. So I find that is just what has worked for me. I personally don't like to weigh myself every morning, just because, like I said, that number on the scale will not go down every single day, because that is normal. Because some days I'm eating something the night before that will have made me, you know, retain more water. I also work out often, and I'm trying to, you know, gain muscle, so that will only put on some weight. So that's why I don't like to look at the number too much. I'm actually interested in all of the other metrics that it offers, more specifically my body fat percentage, and that is what I like to see go down. So now with this scale, I am not interested in seeing, you know, the weight pop up and that number go down. What I like to do is go onto my app, open it up, and see that body fat percentage go down. So it shows you your weight, your BMI, your body fat, your fat-free body weight. That is very interesting. Your subcutaneous fat, I don't think I'm pronouncing that correctly, I'm sorry. Your visceral fat, your body water, your skeleton muscle, your muscle mass, very interesting to know, your bone mass, your protein, your BMR, and your metabolic age. So that's why it is just so important to know how to use a scale. These are the things that you should be tracking, and not that number that is on the scale. If you guys are interested in getting this scale, I do have a coupon code Marie10 off that will get you 10% off. I will have a link in the description box, as well as my code if you guys are interested. It's from Amazon. It's just super convenient. It's affordable. You will see it is not expensive at all, and I can tell you how much it has helped me and how I am sure it will help you. The second mistake we will be talking about is mental health, because let me just say, if you didn't know, I am a nurse, and in school we were taught that before being able to, you know, take care of a physical issue, in this case would be, you know, trying to lose weight, you need to take care of your mental health. Because if you are not healthy up here, it is impossible to be healthy all around here. Once again, if you are feeling, you know, always disappointed because you're not seeing the results that you want, if you're feeling really discouraged and you're just not happy, don't expect yourself to see these beautiful results, because they're just not going to happen. You really need to have peace in mind and just know that this is not a quick fix. This is a journey that you will be on for the rest of your life. I'm not saying you'll be losing weight for the rest of your life, but you will be on this healthy lifestyle for the rest of your life, because that is the #1 goal. So of course, yes, you need to do HIIT, and you need to go for a run, and you need to do some weightlifting, you know, to work out. But what about up here? You should also be meditating, doing breathing exercises every single day, or as much as you can, just to help you, you know, relax and feel good within yourself, and then you can later take care of the rest. That will just make losing weight so much easier. Trust me, I have been through that, and I can tell you it is true. And of course, I wanted to mention it because I know I'm not the only one. If you have, you know, those stretch marks and, you know, those hip dips and those love handles, learn to love them. Learn to love your imperfections, because you are human and that is normal. Don't look at the celebrities that spend so many thousands of dollars, you know, fixing their body up. As much as that is beautiful, and I don't have anything against that, just remind yourself, you know, that they paid for that. You are not paying for it, you are working for it. So just find different things that will just help you up here and just give you more peace of mind. And once again, you will just see how that will help you take care of your physical body much more. The third thing I have to talk about is calories. Yes, I know I was debating putting this into this video, because who has not heard of calories? But it's a mistake that people do. People are just so afraid of calories. Just like the scale, you know, where you don't want to step on it because you're scared of seeing the number. It's the same thing with looking at the nutrition facts behind the foods that we eat. People don't want to look at them because they're scared of them, and they don't want to get trapped into that, oh, I don't want to always, you know, be counting calories in my head, and I don't want to become obsessed with that. No, that is not what I'm asking you to do. I am asking you to be more conscious of the calories that you are putting in yourself, because that will probably be one of your biggest mistakes into losing weight. I gave you guys this example already on my channel, and I'll repeat it because I know I have so many new viewers, and I know that so many people do this, and that is, let's say in the morning you are making a healthy smoothie. What you'll do is you start learning about all these healthy different foods, and that you want to, you know, have them for all the health benefits. But sometimes, as much as all those healthy things are good for you and that will help you lose weight, it might not be the case if you're having them all at the same time. If you are making a smoothie and putting your fruit, you're putting chia seeds, and you're putting dates, and you're putting protein, and you're putting this and you're putting that, because all of these different things are giving you healthy benefits, well, then you're just left off with a 700 calorie smoothie, and that will not help you out with your weight loss journey. Yes, all those things are healthy for you, but at the end of the day, even healthy foods have calories, and you need to realize that. So that's why I'm not saying, you know, look at the calories, you know, of how much ice cream that is. Also look at the calories of what your healthy foods are. Now, I'm not saying to start obsessing over this and to go crazy and say, oh, I can't have mango because it has sugar in it. No, this has to be a healthy lifestyle. Little bonus mistake: don't neglect food groups. People who tell you don't eat carbs, you'll lose weight. That is not true. A couple weeks later, you're gonna start indulging in so many carbs because you have just been neglecting them for so long. So when it comes to nutrition, honestly, I think this is a whole video on itself for me to speak about nutrition and weight loss. But one thing I must say is you need to be aware of the calories that you are intaking every day. It is scientifically proven for you to lose weight, you need to be in a caloric deficit. That is the only way that you will lose weight. So you need to balance, you know, being aware of the calories that you are intaking every day, and make sure that you are eating healthy foods and really nourishing your body with the foods that it needs. Moving on to the fourth mistake that you might be doing, and that you probably are doing, because I myself and so many others do this, and that is that you need to do what you love, or else once again it will not be a sustainable lifestyle. So when I first started, you know, on my journey, the first thing I did was, you know, of course, you know, be more conscious about the food I was eating and everything. And then what's the second thing? I went to the gym, right? For you to lose weight, you need to go to the gym. Well, that's not true. If you're like me and you don't enjoy the gym, that will not give you results. Because at first, you know, yes, I was motivated, but then the gym, personally for me, just became very repetitive and boring. I like to be with people when I'm working out. That's why I prefer workout classes. I just find them to be more fun and enjoyable. And that is what has kept me going on for so long, working out multiple times a week. And I am the fittest I have ever been in my whole entire life because of this, because I found what I enjoy doing. When moving my body was only being relied on going to the gym, that wasn't happening very often because I just wasn't motivated to go, because I just wasn't, you know, looking forward to doing 1,000 squats. So long story short, find something you love. During the summer, now I'm so sad that it is getting cold because I can't play tennis anymore, but during the summer I was playing tennis every week multiple times, because that made me move my body and, you know, sweat and burn some calories, but doing something that I love. So why not just make this an enjoyable experience, an enjoyable journey, and that is what is really going to help you. The fifth mistake that I have to share with you guys is also one that is not surprising, and that is that you are not being patient with yourself. This is not something that happens overnight. It is not something that happens within a week. If you do lose 10-20 pounds within a week, that is just unhealthy, and you will gain it all back, no doubt about that. So if you want this to be something that will last forever, you need to work your butt off for a long period of time. If you expect this to just happen so quickly with a month, that you have lost 50 pounds, you are just going to be disappointed, and then you're just going to go back to your old habits. Just really realize that you are really trying to take care of your health. You're not just trying to be skinny. That will come with it. That will be your little prize, your little reward. But you are trying to really just take care of your body and be healthy. That is the goal. Be patient. The results will come. Work hard, you know, have your cheat days. Don't have too many cheat days, but make sure to reward yourself, you know, for your hard work, and the results will come. As hard as weight loss can be, if you really break it down to the simple steps, it can be easy. I have made so many videos here on my channel helping you do that and explaining you all these different things that you can do. Make sure to go ahead and check those out if you do want to have those extra tips. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope this helps you out. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and if you want me to make more weight loss videos for you guys. I am very passionate about this whole topic because I am in it myself. So if you guys are interested, I will definitely make more. Of course, subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!